We're fishing. Have you caught anything yet?
No.
What is this?
Worms.
This is vlog day numero uno.
Uno.
We're gonna go make some hot dogs in like 2 minutes, but right now we're just fishing.
Enzo, boy.
Hot dogs.
Enzo, come here, bud. I got a treat.
Put 'em
Enzo,
on the
come here.
grill.
Enzo, come here,
Whoa.
buddy. I got a treat. Come here.
Right on there. No? We're gonna do some blueberries.
What are you doing?
Oh.
Are those blueberries?
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. Good.
Ah. What the heck, Jack?
You just want to pick up all of them.
Good.
World record. Oh. Ah. Launched that. Blueberry. Oh, that was so close. All right, wait. Wait, okay. No!
That was perfect.
Here, let me eat it. All right, we're gonna get. Let's go. We're gonna get it. I got it. I almost choked, but I got it.
Yeah.
2 in a row.
No way.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Hot dogs are ready. Okay, hey, hot dogs are ready. Oh gosh, smoke got in my eye.
Okay, I have some.
Yeah,
Carter,
Are you gonna have one?
2. 1 for me, 1 for Zach. Let's go. Let's prepare them.
Good, Enzo. Drop it. Drop. Enzo, drop it. Drop it. Drop it. We're heading to a rope swing and we found some ducks. Drive close to the ducks, Jack.
No, I'm not driving towards the duck.
Why not?
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Alright.
See you at the rope swing, guys.
guys, we got it. We got the rock over the tree. Now, we are gonna tie it.
Red jet ski's floating away.
Hey guys, we got it all assembled. We got Jack trying it out first. He's the brave one of all of us. Actually, he's not. He got voluntold. I'm pretty sure he's scared. Here comes Jack. Yeah. Tarzan, here he comes.
Oh!
Yeah! Your hat! Yeah, it worked! Woo!
Let's go.
One, go.
Oh!
Oh!
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Go!
Oh shoot.
What?
How did that not get up there?
It's always been up there. Hey, touch it.
Oh shoot! Ow! Ah, the nut hit me in the nuts.